In the name of Allah the Beneficent, the Merciful, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today's lecture about grammar is going to be about contractions. Contractions means short forms. So they are used in everyday language. अच्छा, इनका ताल्लुक स्पोकन इंग्लिश के साथ होता है. हम जब बोलचाल की इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं, without contractions it's impossible to speak fluently and confidently. अच्छा, इसमें contractions का basic मतलब जो होता है वो ये है कि आपकी लैंग्वेज फ्लुएंट हो जाए और आप नेटिव लाइक बात करें. सो कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश. एज फार एज रिटन इंग्लिश इज कंसर्न, वी डोंट यूज कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस अ लॉट इन रिटन इंग्लिश. I beg your pardon. So हमारे पास कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीपल हैं आज. इज गोना बी द फर्स्ट लेक्चर. और द फर्स्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्शन वुड बी ही इज. इस ये लॉन्ग फॉर्म है और इसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? हिज. क्या है? हिज. ही इसकी लॉन्ग फॉर्म क्या है? शॉर्ट फॉर्म क्या है? हिज. लेट्स यूज द कंट्रैक्शन ऑफ ही इज इन अ सेंटेंस. ही इज सो टायर्ड. हिज. Not instead of speaking he is so tired, we say he's so tired. वो बहुत थका हुआ है. He's so kind. वो बहुत मेहरबान है. Any more sentences from you guys?
He's so generous.
Sorry?
Generous.
He's so generous. Number one. Anything else?
He's so happy.
He's so happy. He's so excited.
He's so hardworking.
He's so hardworking. He's so kind. So these are some of the more variations. Yeah, please.
He's so attractive.
He's so attractive. He's awesome. जरूरी नहीं है कि so का इस्तेमाल भी करें. सेंटेंस में हमारा बेसिक पर्पस है to understand he is his. He is the long form and the short form, contracted form is his. So it's the first one. The second one is, अच्छा, he is के लिए भी his और he has के लिए भी spoken English issues his. Alright, तो इसको फिर कैसे बनाएंगे? He's got a new car. Instead of saying he has got a new car, got का इस्तेमाल हम separately पढ़ेंगे जब he has और she has, have, had, will have की बात करेंगे in the forthcoming lectures. अभी upcoming lectures, अभी यार हम just एक example ले रहे हैं. He's got a new car. वो एक नई गाड़ी रखता है. और he's got a driving license. वो driving license रखता है. Any more sentences from you guys?
He's got a new shirt.
He's got a new shop. वो एक अच्छी वो नई दुकान रखता है.
He's got a new house.
Instead of saying new के बाद और भी कुछ कह सकते हैं आप.
He's got a restaurant.
He's got a restaurant. वो एक restaurant रखता है. Any more sentences, please?
He's got a bank account.
He's got a bank account. Yes, माशाल्लाह. और उसमें काफी सारे पैसे भी रखता होगा definitely.
He's got a collection of stamps.
He's got a collection of stamps. He's got a lot of experience. वो काफी सारा तजुर्बा रखता है. Right. So हमारे पास next option जो है वो है next contraction. Sorry है she is. She's. क्या है? Speak aloud please. She's. और इसके सेंटेंस में यूज किया she's beautiful. वो क्या है? Beautiful means जी बिल्कुल ठीक है, खूबसूरत है. और she's so lucky. Okay, and she's so smart. Smart means intelligent. She's lucky. She's okay. And next one is she's intelligent. And और फिर she has के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं she's. और she's got plenty of experience. She has got के लिए plenty of experience. She has के लिए आप she's आपने second she's के लिए भी और she has के लिए भी. She's got plenty of experience. She's got my personal number. She's got. Let's make sentences, guys, girls. She's got. वो रखती है जी.
She's got beautiful house.
She's got beautiful house. She's got beautiful house. She's got splendid house. Or anything else, please?
She's got a car.
She's got a car. She's got a big car. She's got a luxurious house. बड़ा सहूलतों से भरा हुआ घर रखती है. She's got. All right. The next one is going to be it is. It is के लिए it's और फिर it's my duty. It's my duty and it's my job. It's my duty, it's my job. It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है.
It's my friend.
It's my plan. ये मेरा मंसूबा है.
It's my diary.
It's my diary. It's my priority. ये मेरी तरजीह है. It's my preference. ये मेरी तरजीह है. It's my record. ये मेरा record है.
It's my good luck.
It's my good luck to be the part of the Genius Institute Lahore. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes, my dear friends. It's. The next one is it has के लिए भी it's का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. It's got great features. कोई भी चीज है जो गैर बेजान चीज है. It's got great features. मोबाइल फोन की बात हो रही है. It's got और क्या हो सकता है? Any more examples, please? Sorry? Sorry, I can't hear you.
It's got a little toxic.
Little toxic. Toxic. Okay. It's got कोई भी बेजान चीज के लिए आप कर सकते हैं. It's got lots of problems. कोई चीज अगर आपके पास है. It's got variety of features, good features, anything. उसके बाद फिर आप it's के लिए, it has के लिए. उसके बाद I am. The next one is going to be about I am. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? I'm क्या बोलेंगे? I'm या am. जब आप फ्लुएंटली बात करते हैं तो instead of saying I am